What road are we on?
English up. English up.
Central Line, English up. Please, open the door! Open the door! Get out!
What's going on?
Out! You got some intruder inside your house.
Oh my God!
Go, go. Go to that Jeep over there. Anybody else inside? Where's she at? 14 started canine.
There he is! Back! Get on the fucking ground! Fuck! Stop!
Get on the fucking ground now!
Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your fucking back!
Behind your back now! Get your hand behind your back!
Then do it!
Now! Other hand! Central, you should carry the taser deployment, deploy EMS. He's been shot.
Where's the knife? Where's the knife? Where's the knife?
Is that with me?
Where is it?
Is that
For
with
the house to the east of our last. Centaur. Homeowner in that house is accounted for. Unknown on the dog that was in the house as well.
Do you have him? I'm gonna go check the house.
Centaur. You good?
I'm good.